What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a air wax remover. I have reviewed an air wax remover before, but the cool thing about this one is it works through your phone. So it works with Wi-Fi. Turn it on the side right here. It says Android or iOS. Has an HD camera, Wi-Fi, waterproof, high speed chip, 360-degree wide angled lens. Alright, and here goes some more specs for you. There you go. Pause it. Let's get to it. Check it out. And first thing that pops up is the instructions. The main thing we need. It don't seem like it's too much going on here. So this is troubleshooting. So this ain't the side we need. This is the main side we need. Alright, so it looks like you have 8 ear tips, so it should be 8 altogether. You have more attachments, so it looks like you have a scooper, another scooper, so it looks like one is a little bit longer than the other one as far as the scoop goes, or have a deeper scoop on it. All right, then you have, it looks like it looks like a spring. I don't think I will be putting that in my ear. Here's another scooper, and then here's another one. So this looks like something I have on one of my old ones. This looks like when you put in your ear and come out, and then the wax comes out behind it, from behind. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that one alone just like that. It says twisted. Alright, so it's threaded, but the thing is, they didn't tell you on here what to do with these pieces, so these must be used by your hand. I like that. I actually like that. That's like an extra bonus. Wasn't expecting that. Alright, you guys, so step 1, download the app. Step 2, connect to the Wi-Fi. Step 3, connect to the Wi-Fi. Step 4, back to the IC app and then start the use. So this is basically simple, you guys. 4 steps and you're on. So let's go ahead and get this done. Alright, you guys, I'm screen recording right now. Let me go ahead and turn this on. Now here it goes right here. It says won't connect automatically. Now it says no internet access, right? Now when you go back to the app, let's see if that drop down screen. Now you see the drop down screen came in. You tap that and then it says this network has no internet access. Stay connected. Then you want to hit yes. Then you go back and now you're on. To start this thing, you just go ahead and hit connect to device right here. And now we have the camera on. I'm gonna wipe that down and go ahead. And the camera is pretty clear. I can actually see the room. And this go ahead and give you a disclaimer or whatever. Give you your little warning. This may contain graphic stuff, you know, that warning. So I'm going in my ear. If you don't like this type of stuff, then you might as well get off. Oh, my ear is pretty clean, you guys. All right, you guys, my ears are clean over that side. Let me try the other side. I didn't bring no napkin to wipe that, so sorry, going in with dirty. Just so y'all can see the quality of this. And there goes a little chunk right there. There we go. Oh, there we go. Well, I'm going to get it. It's kind of hard. What's up, left, down, right. But there we go. Almost got it. Get that little bit of wax. And now you don't want to go too far into your ear. I know you can't really see it, but you can feel it. Oh, there it goes. And that's it. Just a little smudge. Now, if you can see on the camera, you barely can see that on the camera. But if you look on the screen, it looks like a lot, right? Alright, so that's about it with that. Now we have wide lens, you have focus lens. So if you want it to go like full screen instead of wide, then you can do that. You can take photos if you want to, so you can switch. You can record what I'm touching right now, so you can pan it to the left, you can pan it to the right, take a photo. And I know this is kind of gruesome, but You take photos, go back to image, and then you got all the photos. The only thing I want to say that this gets hot. All right. Well, not super hot to where you can't stand it, but it's warm. So when you put it in your ear, it'll feel like it'll feel like it's hot when it's in your ear. So let me go ahead and wipe this stuff off real quick. That's about it, you guys. There is not too much to this. You got the brightness. Okay, you can bring the brightness down. All right. Okay, so what you do is you hold it, and then you could go up, and then you can bring the brightness down. All right, I think that is it, you guys. This is simple, easy, not too hard, and user friendly. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please hit me up in the comment sections and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next review.